I work for Stem Cell Care India. He's our patient. He came from USA. Sir, please introduce yourself.
My name is James Sullivan and I come from the United States of America.
Okay, and what is your age right now?
I'm 58.
And what is your problem?
I was dealing with several chronic issues with my spine and the discs in my spine, also chronic kidney disease in stage 3 that had been stable but had not been progressing to the point where I felt that I needed to get to, and I took many supplements in the United States, but they weren't working for me, so I decided to come to Stem Cell Care India to get treatment, and I'm loving the results at this point in time.
So, how was your experience during the treatment?
Excellent experience. As I spoke to the doctor, very knowledgeable. The staff was well trained. The staff was very knowledgeable about the procedures that I was about to undergo, and I was told every step of the way what each procedure would be and when it would be administered, and very accommodable. The food was great, and very happy with my stay here.
So after the stem cell therapy, do you feel any discomfort after the stem cell infusion?
So the two areas that I was feeling some discomfort, some arthritis in for the neck at this point in time, I do not feel them anymore. I feel where the injection was, but I also feel some movement and some release. And we went over some stretching exercises too with the multidisciplinary team. So I talked to each doctor about each individual.
So at the time of discharge, do you feel, are you like okay, and do you feel any problem?
No, at this point I feel great, and I'm ready to go back and let the stem cells and let the plasma do what it needs to do and help me on my healing journey. And I really believe this is going to be something that's going to be very worthwhile for me, and make sure that keep me in the life force.
Thank you, sir.